guys, so we're here at Gian's Silogan. Silogan ni Gian. At the back of UC Banilag. They actually have branches near San Carlos Palamban as well as near McDonald's in Jones. Diya na dan. So we ordered Porksilog worth 58 pesos each. Ikan pa ko shift, so I'll show you the food later on. Stay tuned. So this is the Porksilog. Their egg is not really well done. You can actually request them to do so.
Just gotta keep my head high. Know that I'm gonna get by. I say, just gotta keep my head high.
Lami ni isaw-saw yung pork chop sa suka o toyo na naay gumbay. Sabaw sa itlog, ibutan sa tanong.
So I guess I gotta keep my head high. I say, know that I'm gonna get by. I say, just gotta keep my head high.
Ano mo po tayong puka? Ano ba palat kayo? Sulit na kayo dire guys, kay 58 ra Porksilog na imong kanon. Because if you buy it in expensive restaurants, ang imo ang pork chop kaya maabot na sa 135. Lami ang ipantulak ang ikan. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any comments on what or where we should eat next, kindly put it in the comments below, and please do support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. See you in my next vlog. I think I'll be vlogging sticky fingers soon, so stay tuned guys.